Welcome to Mohua's kitchen, and in my kitchen today I'm going to cook Kolkata biryani for 17 people. I'm going to show this biryani in few steps. Please follow the steps. Step 1, I will wash basmati rice and soak it for 1 hour. I have taken here 2 kg of basmati rice. Step 2, I have marinated the chicken pieces for 1 hour with dahi, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, biryani masala, some kewra water and ghee. I have used here 3 kg of chicken and I will marinate this for 1 hour. And please my viewers, my video will be a little longer as I am going to show the full steps here stepwise. Now I will add 4 cups of water here and mix it well with the chicken pieces. My dahi will also release water, so I am adding here 4 cups of water and I will place this in the stove to cook it. Meanwhile, as my chicken is boiling, so I will take 2 kg of potatoes here and I will add salt and little food color and mix it well and rest it for few minutes. The speciality of the Kolkata biryani is that you have to place all the things in dum. So we will cook here half. My chicken has been cooked here 50% and now I will take it out and rest cooking will be in dum. In the same masala, I am going to add my potatoes here and boil it 60%. And rest again, I told you I'll cook it in dum. After my potato has been 60% boiled, I'm going to take out the potatoes and strain out the masala with a muslin cloth, and we need the yakni or the water here, masala water here, and discard the masalas. And see, this is my potli where I have strained my masala and we'll discard this. Now in a pan I will add oil and fry my sliced onion. I have taken here 2 kg of onions. I'm going to fry this till golden brown and this is called birista. My onions have been fried till golden brown and now I will take it out and keep aside. This is called birista. Now I will take some whole garam masalas and make a small bag or potli with a muslin cloth or any cloth you have, and I will place this in the boiling water where we are going to boil our rice with some salt and bay leaves. Make a nice potli out of this. I will boil my rice to 70%. Kolkatans has its distinct style of biryani which is very famous, and it is the best biryanis in India, including Lucknow style biryani, and there are a lot of spices used here. And my lovely viewers, one more request: if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell icon, like, and don't forget to share with your friends, and do please comment me in the comment section. I have taken here around about 300 ml of milk, and to this I have added here 1.5 teaspoon of kesar. My rice has been cooked and we will cook this for 70% and then I'll strain it out and cool it down. A good Kolkata biryani should be moist, and the final stage comes here, final layering. I have placed here a piece of foil paper so that my biryani doesn't stick to the pan. If you don't have a foil paper, then you can brush some ghee or oil into the pan and then place the potatoes first, then the chicken pieces. Top it up with some birista or fried onions, and I will add here the yakni and some garam masala into it, some pieces of aloo bokhra or plum. This will tenderize the chicken, and the garam masala. I have shared the list of garam masala. Please note it down for further use. You can grind it and keep it in airtight container. Now I will add ghee or clarified butter to this. Add some ghee and khoya kheer here too. And my lovely viewers, I have a Bengali channel too. The link is in the I button and in the description box. If you want, you can have a look there. And if you like, then subscribe, like and share. And I have shared my Facebook page also. There are many recipes. You can follow me on Facebook. I will cover everything with rice, evenly spreaded rice. And now on top of the rice, I am adding ghee, some biryani masalas, some khoya kheer, some birista, and few spoon of kaura and gulab water, and going to add meetha atar, few drops of it, and little bit of food color optional. This style biryani is descended from the Lucknow style biryani that came to Calcutta with Nawab of Awadh, Wajid Ali Shah. I have added few drops of meetha atar. Meetha atar has a very strong smell, so I need few drops here. And now I will add the saffron milk here, because I told you that Kolkata biryani is very moist, and so this will keep the rice moist. And add little bit of yellow food color, this is optional, and cover it properly with a lid or any foil and seal it tightly so that the steam doesn't release out, and keep it in dum for 45 minutes in hot tawa. After keeping it dum for 45 minutes in slow flame, my biryani is ready. And see the color and the aroma that fills my kitchen, and feeling hungry. And this is the Kolkata biryani, which I have tried my level best to show you step by step. Hope you like it. Do let me know in the comment section how did you like. And Kolkata biryani does not need any salan or any raita, just few salads. Enjoy!